¿Listo? Sebastián. ¿Está lloviendo, Sebastián? Sebastián. ¿Está lloviendo? ¿Qué pasa? He's been playing in the rain. Rain? Lluvia, rain. He does not care. He wants to be in the rain. Rain. I guess Mommy doesn't mind being in the rain too, huh? I think we're gonna have to get dry clothes on before dinner. He's like, I love it. It's water and I'm playing in the rain. Oh, collecting leaves in your rain bucket, huh? Qué frío, ¿no? ¿Hace frío todavía? Rain. Okay, vamos adentro. Good luck. Rain. I love you. Vamos adentro ahora. Decí bye bye.